The human being and the environment have a dependent relationship. One depends on the other for survival.
The needs of human activities have contributed significantly to modifying the original ecosystem, so the human is the main responsible.
With the Industrial Revolution, man sadly off tons of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases into the atmosphere.
It is from the environment that we draw various sources of sustenance. It is believed that before man there was not so much destruction on the planet. With the appearance of man, everything evolved and the human being began to use various inventions that, despite helping in some things, on the other hand, can destroy the environment, for example, through aggressions such as the fires, the filling of forests, and the industrial development that become the main responsible for the degradation of natural and the environments. But how was the world actually before this turning point? Surely we cannot imagine a completely uncontaminated landscape without the advent of man.
From a natural point of view, the environment was richer in trees and there was healthier and more pristine air, but the environment was still teeming with bacteria and disease far worse than those we know today.
The fauna was also privileged together with the flora mentioned just before, and there were a multitude for animal species in addition to those still existing. In fact, it was, however, more furious and lethal, and for man. It was an obstacle that continued to the same victims.
The impact of global warming is already evident. The fire seasons have become longer and more intensive. As in Australia in 2019, extreme weather events have increased every year since in 1990.
Things like overconsumption, overfishing, deforestation, and pollution are dramatically impacting our world. Changes like these have triggered climate change, poor air quality, and undrinkable water.
Plant and animal species move from one ecosystem to another, creating damaged biodiversity around the world.
Human activity can be directly attributed to the cause of hundreds of extinctions in the last 2 centuries.
Arctic sea ice has decreased by average of 12.85% decade.